YouTube, it's your boy Steve from the Valley Garage, and today we're doing something real cool. We're continuing on with my niece's bike. Her favorite color is pink. So we got a cool pink plastics kit, fenders, number plate, all that good stuff. But, well, we also got custom graphics. We're going to be putting graphics on the bike. So, a couple things you're going to need. You're going to need the plastics, obviously. You need your graphics. You're also going to use some Windex, heat gun to help apply better. Heat gun, hair dryer, same thing. And you're going to need a squeegee. These happen to be a caulking squeegee. I'll put a link in the description below on Amazon if you don't have squeegees, but it just makes it nice. They're soft and pliable to help get that angle and get the good contact with the sticker. So that's what we're going to do. We're going to start off on the easier stuff first because it's easier, and that's where we're going to start off. Roll this the other way, fold these around, a little more straight around here. Now, a lot of kits come with the side fairings, the front and rear fender, and the number plate. But a lot of kits don't come with the front fork guards. So I washed the bike and I'm going to take the fork guards off so I can apply the sticker right onto them first. And then we'll go with the rest of the pieces. So the front of the bike is going to have number 5 Allens. We'll get this one off. If you forget which side is which, the calipers, the front brake side has the 2 little arms here. Alright, got our graphics. Okay. The reason I have the Windex is it doesn't mess up the sticky adhesive part in the back of the stickers, but it also gives you time to set and maneuver the part or the piece, the graphics, to where you exactly want it. From there, then you can squeegee it out and then hit it with a heat gun. Evaporates some of the Windex and have a good contact right on top onto the bike itself. So you can spray as much as you want. Make sure it's coated good. Alright, have a rag handy to just help dry your hands. Here happens to be a sticker. They are mighty sticky, so keep that in mind. Make sure your hands are as clean as possible. We'll start with the front fork, right around there some. Once you get your piece pretty set the way you like it, hold it down, take your squeegee, starting from the middle, out to the sides. Use a little hot gun, hair dryer. Beautiful, that looks great. Straight edge, holes line up, fantastic. Next up, we're gonna work on the number plate. Now, because we're wrapped in plastic, I'm not going to clean them, but typically if you have rubbing alcohol or some sort of sanitizer, you want to get the oils off of the plastic itself so it can stick and adhere better. But in this case, since they're brand new, they're dry, I'm going to just continue on without having to without cleaning them. Let's do the number plate. Center, squeegee my way out. Woo! The more we get, the harder we're going to be getting into it. This is the right side of the bike. So they make the little slit in there to help you find your corners here. Not too happy about that, but it's already stretched. It can't make the difference. I'll have to continue on. Ooh, moment of truth. Going on to the last side pieces. Okay, so the battery died on that last one. We've got one more piece left to go. I didn't want to stop and change it while I was working on it. Always missed that one. Oh, let me show you at least. Pretty cool, man. Came out great. I had to pick the average. It's a little offset from the back, but they are universal and they're not exactly fit, so they're not OEM, I can tell you that. All right, last piece. Liberal with the Windex. Yeah, right. On we go. Man, this is coming out great. Perfect. It's time to put everything together and get it on the seat. Okay, so what we're gonna do is just grab our body screws, put them to the holes, light to the holes. Just finger bang them real quick, get them lined up. Good, and on. Okay, another shroud, the hole. Right side shroud. It's got a little tabby tab, so it goes in there and then slides down to lock down. And screw. Look how cool that looks! Right, so now we're gonna slip on our rear tail here. Nope, I fucked up. Undo. Okay, redo. Rear fender slides in, locks back. Slides in, locks back. Now that the sides are locked in, lock it in on the tail end here, and then put our screws back in. I forgot that step. All right. Okay, locked in. Let's get our 10 mil. Grab our 10 mil and put it on the back of the seat. Snug as a bug. Now the fronts. Good. Other side. All right. Next up is the shrouds. Now these screws have little collars on there, so you really gotta slide up and down to fit them in there. Then they come through. Good. Next side. Good. This side. Next up, front fender and also the number plate. Now the number plate shares the same hole as the front one. Something like that. Almost there. Come on. Oh. Oh. There we go. Once that's through, pull out your gas line. Snap the fender front number plate in the hole. I can't do it one-handed. Okay, so now that the graphics are on, I have some leftover. Bam! There you have it. Look at that. That's today's episode. I hope you enjoyed that. I think that was entertaining. Just sit back, relax, and watch your work type deal. Y'all have a good one. Enjoy the weekend. Peace!